Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Aqua animals, we have the dolphin, the stingray, the turtle, or the clownfish for $20. Ooh, it's large too, guys. I like these. Oh my goodness, so much fun. Your babies and your grandbabies will love that. Alrighty friends, we have the Huntington Home Signature Vintage Area Rugs. They are a 6.6 by 9 for $70. The Huntington Home Reversible Indoor Outdoor Rugs, $14.99. And these are a 5 by 7. They also have the matching 2 by 6 runners for $9.99. Great finds, guys. Not bad at all. Okay, moving on to the director's chair for $39.99. It is in gray and in blue. Walk through safety gate, $29.99. It is in white. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Yeah, here it goes. Alrighty, the pet collars, they are $5. They come in pink, lavender, blue, and green. The dog harness or leash, $10. In those same beautiful colors. And oh my goodness, guys, the pet backpack. $7. How cute. The portable pet water bottle for $6. Oh my goodness, we are out of control with our pets, guys. But they're little humans. Yeah, they're animals, but they're humans. To me, anyway. Okay, so we have the pet hats. They're $4. How adorable. This one with the lemon, the strawberry, and then they have the solid colors. These are just adorable. Okay, they have a couple more patterns right there. We spoil our babies, guys. Cat litter scoop for $5. Disposable pet potty pads, $9.99, and you get 50. It says super absorbent 5-layer protection. We can never go wrong with an airbag, guys. This is a 4-in-1 airbag for $30. Single bed, 2 single beds, or double bed. High-rise single bed. Okay. It includes the carrying bag and the pump. Portable chair, $14.99. It is lightweight. And this is it right here. Okay, we have the collapsible tub or dish drainer in gray and green, gray green, gray blue for $10. Alrighty friends, so we have this tabletop fire bowl for $35. It's for indoor and outdoor use. It is food safe and up to 3 hours run time. For all you cyclists out there, we have this bike seat cushion for $10. They have it in the wide and the narrow. They also have the adult bike helmets for $15 in blue and gray. The Play Center, Gator Play Center, one Play Center for $30. Haul It All pouches, $5. Ooh, so it's a 2-piece, guys. It's this big one and a smaller one on the inside. So this is nice. Haul It All. Okay, so yellow, orange, and green. Okay, pretty colors. And these Crocs here. These are the ladies' Crocs. Men's and ladies' Crocs, they're $7. And the kids' Crocs are $4. Alrighty, the 40 by 72 luxury beach towel is $13. They have 5 patterns, which is going to be this green one. This one says, "Wish you were here." Here comes the sun, and these 2 striped patterns here. Alrighty guys, we have the ladies premium swimsuits for $13. Come in size small through XXL. Nice colors. So this is one pattern here. It's the V in the front and the low back. Okay, better picture right here. The ladies beach hats, they're $5. Can't beat these deals, guys. Seal Back Rest Float, $12.99. Coconut Grove Inflatable Floating Volleyball Set, Tropical for $13. Tropical Inflatable Sports Game, Basketball, Volleyball, or Goal Set. The Twist and Turn Challenge is $10. Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat, $10. Reusable water balloons, they are $6. That's convenient. Reusable. You get 3 pieces. That's good. The rechargeable bike headlight and the rear bike light, $9. So this is the headlight and this is the rear light here. Okay. More bike accessories here for $7, which includes the cell phone holder, the water bottle, and what is this? A bike pump and a multi-tool set, 10 in 1, $7. The 64 insulated growlers are $13. Large watertight case or box for $10. Durable design for protecting your gear. Large single latch closure for ease and security and easy grip. Okay. LED light tent fan for $15. Ideal for camping or for using in RVs. 3 fan speeds, low, medium, and high, and it provides a cool breeze and a light source at night. Rechargeable bug zapper. It is $10. The pop-up lanterns, they are $10. This cat litter pan for $10. Camping floor mat, $12.99. You get a 6-pack. The hammock with the stand is $50. Rainbow sports ball, $5. Giant toppling blocks, they are $30. Giant wooden 4 in a row, $30. Wooden game board includes 42 plastic coins. Integrated corn storage system. Dog treats, wild caught salmon, $5. Dog bones with the chicken flavor is $5.29. Alrighty guys, so now it's time for me to do my walk back to show you guys what my picks are for this week. This 6x9 area rug for $70 is a win. OMG, what a steal here today. That is number 1. The director's chair for $40. 4-in-1 airbed for $30. The collapsible dish strainer, $10. As we have more totes over here. Pink one is going to be my last pick for this week. Amazing, right? Oh, we have a few planters here for $9. Okay. The begonia and the ivy. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Aldi. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I want to first say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the channel. I appreciate you all and welcome to the channel. And for everyone that's been ordering from my link that I have in the description, thank you so much. You all are showing up and showing out. Thank you, thank you, thank you with the cherry on top. All righty, friends, until next time, you all be blessed and I'll see you all in the next one.